Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. Firstly, maybe this one is the problem with your audio player, so let's say you listen to music in SoundCloud. Just remove this application from the cache and then open it again. Also, I recommend it to go to the App Store or Play Store and check if you have the latest version for this application, and if you haven't, just update it. Now check if it didn't help you, we need to perform a factory set. To perform a factory set, at the back side of each earbud, we have right here Motorola logo, this one is touch area, so you need to firstly press and hold both of them until you will see the red LED light to turn off them. Then, after that, release your finger and press and hold again. Here we go, we have the red LED light. Then press and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're gonna release your finger and then we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings. Then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Now forget this device and forget device. Then, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top. Not all Android phones have it, maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to Bring mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!